Hi there guys, we've just finished chapter 2 and we're going to spend some time in this lesson looking at changing adjectives to adverbs. So that's our learning objective. Can I change, or I'm learning to change adjectives to adverbs, okay? Adjectives to adverbs. First of all, some adjectives can be changed to adverbs by adding ly, okay? You don't have to change the word at all, okay? Final becomes finally. Okay, you're just adding ly. Okay, no change needs to be made. B finally grabs the duck from dog. However, there are some spelling rules to remember when changing adjectives to adverbs by adding ly. Okay, so there are some rules that you need to think about and follow. Okay, number one, decide which rule each adverb below uses and write it in the correct column. One example has been done for each rule. Okay, so have a look here. Okay, happy becomes happily. When the adjective ends in a y, okay, when the adjective ends in a y with a consonant letter before it, we change the y to an I and then add ly. Okay, so the y goes, it's gone, becomes an I, and then we add ly. Okay, happy becomes happily. When an adjective ends in le, we take away the le and add ly instead. So gentle becomes gently. As you can see, the le and the e there, the l and the e have gone, the le, and it's been changed to ly. Okay? Then, when the adjective ends in ic, we add ally to the end. So frantic, we don't change the word frantic, it's still there as you can see, but we've just added ally. So if it ends in an IC, like hectic, it would become hectically. Okay? You add ally to the end. Okay? Tragic, tragically. Okay? So then you've got to look at these ones here, these 9, and decide where they're going. Okay? Where are they going here? Okay? Put them in the right places. Then it says, now change these adjectives into adverbs. Remember, you must be able to add ly, or you might have to think about which rule to use. So use these 3 rules that we've mentioned before, 3 rules here, to work out what these will become. Okay? Using one or more adjectives you have made below, write a sentence about B. So using one or more of the adverbs you have made above, write a sentence about B. Okay? Second part. Again. Okay? Similar thing. Remember here, these are the 3 rules that we have. Okay? It's the dropping the y and adding ily. Dropping the le and adding the ly, or adding ally to the end. So you need to put the right word in and change it to the adjective. Okay, it says here, fill in the gap. Choose the best adjective from the word below and change it to an adverb before writing it in the gap. Change it to an adverb before putting it in here. Okay? B wearily plucks the feathers from the duck. Okay, so there's no, instead of weary, it's become wearily. Okay? For example, easy would become easily. Yeah? Loving, lovingly. Okay? And there's 12 to put in there. And then the final task is, think of some adverbs that have not been used on this sheet so far and use them to write your own sentences about B. Okay? So, think of some adverbs that have not been used on the sheet and use them to write your own sentences about B. Good luck with this changing adjectives to adverbs activity today. That's our learning objective, to change adjectives into adverbs and to follow those rules, those 3 systems, the 3 different things in order to change them correctly. Okay? Good luck with that activity today as well.